Hey Nikki babes, OMG, Sexy Smooth Wax sent us Tickled Pink to try out and review, so let's tap into it. Of course, as always, we are going to cleanse the skin, remove any deodorant that may be on the skin, and go in with a little powder. Look how smooth this wax is just gliding on the underarms. That is crazy. That color, so beautiful. Dry time was A1. Let's see how much hair came up on that first strip. Wow, that's crazy. Me and my client were like, wait, is that all of the hairs? But as always, we're gonna go in with a cleanup strip just to get up those few hairs that were left. And as expected, it got up the remaining hairs. Thank you, Sexy Smooth, for sending us some of your wax. We will be ordering more because we loved it. Bye, Nikki Babe.